Now let's talk bigger picture. What factors really go into effective year-end tax planning?
Over the course since I've been working in the business, we've had a lot of clients who are pilots, and we actually learned from pilots that checklists are very important. I'm a huge believer in checklists. So we have a checklist that we go through in our financial planning discipline to make sure that we're not missing any opportunities for our clients. But one thing to ask yourself, so the reason you can do end-of-year tax planning is because you're close to the next year. Mm-hmm. So you can sort of ask yourself, am I going to be in a higher tax bracket next year or this year? Of course, you don't know exactly, but there should be some clues if you're going to make more money next year or the previous year. If it's next year.
Personally, I like to make more money every year.
Every single year. And grow it, right?
Yeah.
But if for some reason you anticipate that you might have, a higher tax bill next year, you can delay some of those deductible expenses to January, just a few months away. If you don't, you could, accelerate them and bundle those expenses this year. That's one thing to think about is if you want to really attack this year, balance it out, or if you really want to attack the next year.
Right. And it sounds easy to do, to look at tax brackets and look at what your income's going to be. But practically, I think that people might have a hard time confronting that. Who can help them?
Yeah. Well, we can help them. Of course, tax experts like Anna can help them. But really, it's you want to make sure you have a good CPA who's proactive. And I was looking at your website, Anna, that you said tax strategy, because I feel like that's missing for so many people. Usually it's just preparing the taxes, just, looking at it that way. But you want to have a good proactive CPA. Of course, we can help, right? As financial planners, I'm not going to say we can definitely help with that. We have strategies and checklists and everything. And we'll make sure that you make the best decisions so you can achieve your financial goals. And one part of that is minimizing your taxes. And to do that, we work with smart people like Anna.